Will AI replace friends? In a world increasingly shaped by artificial intelligence, one provocative question is gaining attention. Will AI replace friends? While AI is revolutionizing how we interact with technology through chatbots, virtual assistants, and increasingly lifelike digital companions, there is growing concern and curiosity about its impact on human relationships. Can AI really replace the emotional, social, and psychological depth that human friendships provide? To begin with, it's important to define what friendship entails. At its core, friendship is about emotional connection, trust, shared experiences, empathy, and mutual understanding. These qualities arise from the complex interplay of human emotions, culture, and consciousness elements that AI, for all its impressive capabilities, does not inherently possess. AI can simulate empathy, hold a conversation, and even remember personal details. But these interactions are ultimately programmed responses, not expressions of genuine feeling or intention. That said, AI is getting increasingly good at appearing human. Conversational AI models can mimic personality traits, learn from interactions, and provide consistent companionship. For some people, particularly those who are isolated, neurodivergent, or facing mental health challenges, AI companions offer a form of support that may feel very real. Digital friends like replica or character-based chatbots can help users feel seen and heard in ways that they might not experience in their daily lives. In this context, AI doesn't replace friends so much as it fills a gap left by human absence. However, this reliance on AI for companionship also raises concerns. If people begin to prefer AI interactions over human ones because they're easier, more predictable, or free from conflict, what does that mean for the development of real social skills? There's a risk that over time, dependence on AI companions could stunt emotional growth, reduce empathy, and erode the richness of genuine human connection. Relationships, after all, are often messy and difficult, but that's also what makes them meaningful. Moreover, AI lacks true agency. It doesn't care in the way a friend cares. It doesn't have a life outside the interaction, nor does it benefit or suffer from the friendship. This one-sided nature may lead to shallow, transactional interactions, despite how emotionally compelling they may feel. In contrast, real friendships are two-way streets that involve vulnerability, compromise, and change over time. Looking ahead, AI is more likely to augment human relationships than replace them entirely. For instance, AI could serve as a social bridge, helping people practice conversations, learn emotional intelligence, or maintain connections across long distances. It may assist in reducing loneliness or enhancing communication, but it is unlikely to fully substitute for the authentic bonds between people.